Hi there, Kevin Barham with a quick video showing you how to add users to your YouTube account. If you're working with someone on a project and they need to upload some videos or something, don't give them your username and password. Instead, come to studio.youtube.com and then down here at the bottom on the left you'll see settings. Click on that and then click on permissions and then click invite. And then you add their email address. It needs to be associated with a Google account, so add their email address and select the level that you want them to have. You can read about a short description by each item there, or you can click on learn more down here and read more about it. And then when you've added that, click done and then click save at the bottom. Now if you're on a YouTube branded account, then you won't see this when you go to permissions. Instead, you'll see this, and you just simply click that and it will take you through to your Google account so that you can then manage those permissions. That's it. Take care. Bye bye.